Tilda.
Tilda.
Sign one. Can you sign it this loop?
Of course.
Have a nice evening.
Very much. Oh, for Mate.
Could you send us a salute?
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Tilda, what
You're
would you say is the
amazing.
best
Thank you.
reason to go and watch a film in the cinema?
It's to stay out of the rain.
Oh, happy.
Oh, Hannah.
Yeah.
Happy birthday.
Oh, it's so awesome. She won't believe me. It's crazy. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Tilda. Thank you so much.
You're so nice. Always that I meet you. You're so nice.
We need a photograph now. Do you have a camera? We actually need a
I'll take a
photograph.
photo.
Oh, okay. Thank you so much. Oh, you're
We
amazing.
add to the list.